Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the Cordelia Cruise, which is lying in Mumbai, and we are here for the Bharat Cruise Tourism. And we have with us Mr. Gautam Day, and he will tell us about his project, his initiative with this. Sir, Gautam, sir, please.
Yeah. The government of India has launched the
Yes,
Cruise Bharat Mission. This is
yes.
an important step
Mhm.
for developing cruise tourism in India.
Hmm.
One single window setup is put up in Delhi so
Mhm.
that all the international cruise liners
Hmm.
can get the benefit
Hmm.
of India at one place.
Mhm.
As far as our concern and our project is
Hmm.
concerned,
Hmm.
we are developing international cruise terminal in Goa,
Mhm.
and this is going to be operational within next 6 months.
Mhm.
So here we will give world class facility to
Hmm.
the cruise ships and cruise tourists
Mhm.
visiting Goa, and
Mhm.
we look forward that
Hmm.
with the support of the government of India,
Hmm.
this business will grow
Hmm.
fantastically.
So, what do you think is USP of in India, Indian tourism for the cruises?
Yeah, cruise is a new business in India. Lot of Indians, they go overseas. They go to Dubai, they go to Singapore, they go to Miami, they go to Barcelona to
Mm.
take the cruise. But
Mm.
now we are trying to bring the cruise to India so
Mm.
that lot of Indians can experience the beauty of the cruise ships, cruise tourism in India,
Mm.
which will strengthen
Mm.
the Indian economy.
Mm.
That will create a lot of jobs in
Mhm.
India.
Mm.
So the purpose is to strengthen economy, create jobs in the tourism sector.
So, what is your vision? Like, how many years it will take for India to be on the world map at the number one position?
Yeah, number one position is a little longer time,
Mm-hmm.
but we can very well think
Mm.
that Indian tourists are going all over the world,
Mm.
and if the cruise ships start coming to India,
Mm.
Mumbai, Goa, Cochin,
Mm.
then Indians will take to the water
Mm.
like fish to the sea.
Mm.
I'm sure
Mm.
the more ships coming, the
Mhm.
more cruise will come in India. Government has got a huge plan.
Mm.
Government wants to bring 50 lakh passengers on the ship.
Mm. So, what I have heard about, like everybody thinks that cruise is for the rich people. Do you have any plans for the economy plans so that the commoners also can afford these cruises?
Very much indeed.
Mm.
Indeed. In fact, as we go forward,
Mm.
we will have more and more cruise ships coming to India
Mm.
who will bring the economic
Mm.
ships also.
Mm.
The competition, the business will
Mm.
grow together. And we see that government's policy to
Mm.
reduce the taxes,
Mm.
to streamline the tariff, the port
Right.
tariff, will reduce the cost of the cruise in India.
That's what we want, sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you.